frozen pineapple treat. So what you need is pineapple juice, some vanilla ice cream, and I'm going to put all my ingredients into this. And you need a pipe with the metal thing. So I'm going to open my... So I'm going to put my ice cream. Put it in the blender. Put the pineapple. Oh, and this is frozen pineapple. So I'm not missing anything. Put the lid. Oh, and you can find this recipe on Disneyland website. Hi guys, I'm back. So now that I have put my ice cream in the blender and made it get all mixed up, I'm going to swirl it. I'm going to put it into my piping bag and I'm going to swirl it. So I hope this comes good because I'm not that good. Ooh. There, that's how it came out. And I'm going to put this, I guess, here. Mmm. Delicious. Bye, guys.